Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. I'm going to be bringing you along while I clean my apartment. I usually try and go through once a week and do like a deep cleaning and do those chores that I necessarily don't want to be doing every day, but I make myself do once a week. But throughout the week I also try and keep up on things so that the day that I do the deep cleaning and focus on that, it's not as bad. So today we are gonna just be going through the kitchen, my living room. There's a ton of laundry to do. We just got home from Phoenix. We went for the weekend for my cousin's wedding, and so we just got back. We have a ton of laundry. There's some dishes in the sink. I need to sweep. I need to put new water out for our betta fish's water bowl, and I need to clean the bathrooms pretty bad. So I'm just gonna be taking you guys along while I do all that. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Reagan. I would appreciate if you joined my growing family here and subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every Friday, and other than that, we're just gonna jump right into it. There's some other things that I'm gonna finish up throughout the day, some dusting. The full length mirror in my room needs to be wiped down, and I'm gonna be finishing laundry throughout the rest of the day. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Always thanks for watching, and other than that, I will catch you in my next one. Bye, loves.